In this lesson, we will paint 2 slices of watermelon. So let's start off by marking out for the outline. So the one slice will be here on the left. And the overall shape of this slice is like a triangle. You can see that the one slice is pointing upwards towards the right. And then we can create the second slice here on the right side. And this one points downward towards the left. The main color for the watermelon is a deep crimson red. So you can use a medium size to a larger brush to apply the red paint. Now it's important when you get to the bottom closer to the edge of the watermelon, you do not apply the red paint all the way to the bottom section, because this area needs to be lighter. So you can go ahead and clean your brush, and then you can add water to this section and make the red bleed into this wet area. Then you can go ahead and prepare a dark green color. Then you can add the green on the edge, the bottom edge of the watermelon. Make sure it's nice and dark and only cover the edge of it. And then you can clean your brush again, and you can help the green color to bleed into that pinkish light red area. Try to do this quickly while the paint is still wet. Now you can go ahead and you can repeat this process with the other side, for the other slice. So once again, use your medium-sized brush, get the crimson red on there, don't go all the way up to the edge. Clean your brush and then add some water to this section so it creates that nice pink color. And then you can add the green. First you need to wet that area with clean water, and then you can add the dark green on the top edge. Once everything is dry, you need to wait until it's completely dry. You can use a small brush and some black paint, and then you can paint in the seeds.